Did you know that young people can get started investing as renters? How is this possible? It's Peter Chabris with the Chabris Group at Keller Williams Seven Hills Realty here in Cincinnati, and I want to share with you a wealth building tip that most young people or anybody who's renting are not exposed to, and that is getting started early in the real estate investment game. Residential real estate investment is kind of a get rich slowly, or really it's more of like a slowly and then suddenly kind of wealth building curve. And so starting real estate investment early is great if you have the opportunity. So how do we do that? Well, most people think about investment properties as multifamilies where you have 2 or 3 or 4 or 10 or 20 apartments under one roof. But single family real estate is a form of residential real estate investment. In fact, it's the most accessible, especially for young people. Why is that? Because starter homes make great rental properties. If you're a renter and you buy a starter home, you can purchase that home with a much higher what we call loan to value ratio, or LTV. Said simply, when you're an owner-occupant, you can get in there with a low down payment. As little as 3.5%, sometimes 1%, occasionally 0% down. But it's a great way for a young person or someone who's been renting to get into real estate quickly. Instead of buying the most expensive dream home you buy a simple starter home. Because over time, you can go ahead and renovate that home, create equity, build equity in the property. You can refinance the home, rent it, and then go buy another starter home with another low down payment option. And so most people don't understand you can do this cycle every 12 to 18 months, even 24 months. And over the course of a few years as a younger person, you're able to build up an inventory of several starter homes, which make for great rental properties. Now, there's a game. You got to play it with somebody who knows how to play the game and understands the rules. That's what we're for. So go ahead and reach out if you or someone you know is renting and could be in the ownership game and starting to build wealth through investment properties. It's Peter. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you soon.